Welcome to Teams Top Notch Academy. So today we're looking at logarithm, and we're going to be very brief because we will just look at the definition of logarithm, the index form, and also the logarithmic form of logarithm. So let's look at this now. We have log of m to p is equal to s. So the definition here is we will define this as the logarithm of a positive number p to base m, which gives us what? X, in which when m is raised to the power of x, it gives us p. So let's look at it and define it, write it based on the definition I've given to you, which is m raised to the power x is equal to what? P. So the first, we call this the logarithmic form. This is equation 1. Then equation 2, we say it is what in its index form. You may be asked to change an equation that is already in its logarithmic form to index form, or you asked to change from index form to logarithmic form. So this is what you do. Just like this one, whatever that you say will come to this side, and this will go to this side. Then when you are transforming to index form, there is no need for you to see write logarithm. Okay, let's take an instance. Let's say we have log of 2 to 8 is equal to what? 3. So this is in its logarithm form, and if you are asked to solve this simple logarithm, what do? You change it to what? Index form, and that's what they are expecting you to do by saying the solution to this will give you 3 here will go, then 8 will go this side, and it now become 2 raised by 3 is equal to what? 8. And that's the answer to this. Do you understand? So let's assume we're also given another equation. Let's say we're given 81. 81 equals to 3 raised by 4. And they are asked to represent this in its logarithmic form. You know, this is index form. So if you ask to represent this in the logarithmic form, how do you go about it? Because someone may be confused. Remember, when you are writing it in logarithmic form, there's need for you to write log. So the first thing you should do is to write log, which is log. Then remember, we're having this here, log of this. So 8 goes this way, then 3 goes this way. So if you come to this side, it will be that, you know, if you look at what, okay, just use this now to answer this particular one, and it will give you the clue. So 8 was here before. Are you seeing it? 8 was what? Here before. So looking at this particular one here too, so here is what? 8. So we can now write log of 4 raised to the power of what? 81 is equals to what? 3. Okay, so let's know whether if that's, I know what I did. So let's know whether if that is going to work out, because someone may write it this way. So why I did this is for you to know how to solve. So let's say this now going this way. If this goes like this now, it's going to give us 4 raised by 3. Okay, it's equals to what? 81, which is very wrong. Do you understand? It's very wrong. So that's not how you do it. So what you do now is, you are seeing this, it should not be log of what? Okay, let me continue from here. It should not be log of 3 raised by 81 is equals to what? 4. That would be the correct answer. Do you understand? So when you are looking at it, so we are having 8 here, 81 and this. The log of this, you remember when I defined this, I say log of m to p equals to what? S. That's when m is raised to the power of s, it gives us p. It means that when 3, do you understand, is raised to the power of 81, it gives us what? X. Do you understand? So that means that is how it's going to be. Do you understand? So what you just use is use this simple trick to solve when you are given equation to change from the logarithmic form to index form, or either way. So next time we're going to go in detail into solving the equations, logarithmic equations with the laws. You know, we have different laws that need to be applied when solving this, and also we'll go in details in applying this formula, which is what I've given to you here, in solving more other equations. Please, if you reach this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you will always get to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also make sure you share to others that will see the video and get what they want from it. Thank you very much and remain blessed. Okay.